Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Bright Eyes, and I'm here with another tutorial. And I'm gonna do it about hairstyles. Now, hairstyles is pretty simple and easy. All you have to do is know how to shade, and you worry about the details last. So you just have to first get the shape of the hair, then you worry about the shading part, get an idea where you want the light to hit the hair, and then you add the details to bring it to life. Okay, so I'm going to start with this model here that I have on my iPad, and I'm just going to start drawing the face first, right? And then sure, try to make it even. I'll assume the ears is right here. Okay, so the eyes is going to be here, and it will be like a 3/4 angle, right? So her eyes are here. So say her forehead, if her eyes are here, then her hairline is going to start around here, right? So, okay, so it's just really simple. I forgot if she has like something really in the center. So I'm just going to try to start the hair off here. And it's just simple. You just want to just get the shape of it, you know? Just the shape of the hair. I just love doing like a hair updo. I think it's so classic and beautiful and elegant, you know? And I'm just, just using the picture as like a reference, just, to give me an idea. Right? And they got like a piece of hair going off the shoulders. Interestingly, and then Okay, so now I'm just trying to get the shape. So which is the simple part, you know, try to right. And it's starting to, look together. Okay, so done, right? So now I need to imagine where the light is hitting her. And this is where the shading is gonna come in. So I'm gonna shade very lightly, and imagine the light is hitting there. And then, and I'm just gonna draw in the direction, shade in the direction as if the hair has strands. A shading, continue the shading. Just any open white spot is where the light is hitting the hair. And it's doing a thing like this. Just going in the directions where I think the hair strands are. So now that I'm satisfied with how it looked in terms of the hair hitting the light, now I'm really gonna shade it in and try to blend it in. I'm gonna start hitting the dark parts of it while I blend the light give it more like a opaque look now. So now I'm really going to go into the drawing and finish the shading part and give it like a opaque look, right? So okay, and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to just rub it in. Right? And now because I rub it in, I'm going to take my eraser, go where the white parts is. And now I'm going to go in the details where I'm going to start drawing the lines. So this is like the final part of the sketch. So I'm just going to start drawing hard lines on it to give it more appearance of here. I'm drawing like the final, details of it. And I'm also gonna add like white on it, just to give it like more appearance of the lines, so the lines could show more. So it's all about, remember, shape, shading, and then you add the details, and that's it. So I just did like a draw a hairstyle. So I hope that was helpful. I'm pretty much finished with it. So I hope that's is helpful, and if you want to do it on color, I will show a video maybe later down the future on the color, but the same apply. You draw the shape of it, then you shade it in, and then you draw the details. And you would draw the details. First I will draw it, then I'll have a marker to shade it in, and then I'll use a color pencils to draw the details. So um so that's about it. So I hope that was helpful. Until next time, bye.